Good morning. Thank you for tuning into your daily operation weather brief for Tuesday, November 20th. We are seeing a little bit of spotty rain showers out there this morning with overcast skies as we got this very weak front moving through. Any rain's going to be little to no accumulation, only a trace or perhaps less, as they're very spotty. As you could see on the radar map over here, those rain showers are moving through, and as you can see, they're rather spotty as they move through the area, getting a little bit stronger as they move northeast of the Wallops, but downwind, only seeing a couple sprinkles here and there. So really not going to be seeing much impact, and this should be out of the area in the next couple of hours. Taking a look at our terminal forecast throughout the day, we're going to be looking at that frontal passage moving through. Not really expecting a whole lot of cold air behind it today. Still going to be looking at a seasonable day temperature-wise of around 60 degrees. Winds are going to increase as we go towards the late morning hours, looking at northwesterly winds late this morning around 8 to 13 knots, and then gusting up into around 21 knots as we go towards the late morning and into the afternoon hours. Can't rule out a very brief wind gust to around 25 knots at times, but should remain below wind advisory criteria today, as anything beyond 21 will be very brief. As we go towards this evening, those winds are going to slowly die down, remaining from the northwest around 7 to 12 knots this evening, and then dying down to 5 to 10 knots by mid-morning Wednesday. Seeing a chilly morning low tomorrow with those clear skies of 35 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are seeing some low clouds out there this morning, ceilings around 500 feet, and then seeing decks at 7,500 and 9,000 feet above that. And we are seeing, like I said, some very isolated light showers out there. Not expecting any accumulation, and it should be out of here by about 10 a.m. or so. Going to be expecting a chance of seeing those low clouds, those ceilings around 500 feet through about 10 a.m. And then once we get to the 10 a.m. hour, we are going to be seeing them break up a bit. Still expecting a few clouds, though, around 500 feet as we go towards the rest of the morning hours, even after 10 a.m., with ceilings remaining between 6,000 and 8,000 feet. And then as we go into this afternoon, we'll see those lower-level clouds clear out a bit, becoming 1,500 and scattered at 1,500 by noon. Still looking at a scattered deck at 5,000 feet, with that ceiling remaining at 7,000 feet through about 2 p.m. Then after 2 p.m., as we have some high pressure starting to build into the area, then we're going to start to see those clouds really clear out, becoming just a few at 2,500, few at 6,000, and a few cirrus as we go towards the late afternoon hours. And then overnight, it does look like we're going to be seeing perfectly clear skies, possibly seeing a few at 10,000 feet creep into the area by mid-morning Wednesday. For tomorrow, going to be looking at a partly cloudy and cool day, as we do have finally that cooler air mass starting to settle into the area. Only looking at a high of 50 degrees tomorrow. Wednesday night, we're going to have that some cool high pressure settling over the area. It's going to be mostly clear skies, and we are going to be seeing, like we had mentioned yesterday, that high pressure drop down from Canada. That's going to really bring that cold air mass in, expecting a very cold low Wednesday night of 28. And then as we get that high really starting to build into the area, we're going to be getting some breezy winds as it tightens up that pressure gradient. And as you can see here for our forecast for Thursday, it's going to be a very unseasonably cold day for our Thanksgiving under partly cloudy skies. It's going to be slightly breezy as that high continues to build in, but that high is only expected to get into the mid to upper 30s. Really going to be struggling to get out of that middle 30 range with a high of 37. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a great day.